I've discovered a way to make yourself study even when you have zero motivation, and trust me, it works. You know those days when every little thing feels more interesting than your notes? Scrolling through your phone, reorganizing your desk, even staring at the wall? Yeah, we've all been there. You sit around, hours slip by, frustration builds, and your grades keep slipping. But the truth is, it's not because you're lazy or broken. It's because you haven't learned how to trick your brain into getting started. So today, I'm going to share 8 practical techniques that will push you to study, even on the days when you feel completely stuck. Let's dive in. First, embrace boredom. Seriously, stop distracting yourself every 5 minutes. Put your phone away, sit still, and let yourself get bored for a few. In that quiet, start reflecting on why you even need to study. Is it to get into that college you've been dreaming about? To land that high-paying job you keep imagining? Or maybe just to stop feeling like you're falling behind? When you stop running from discomfort and face the real reasons you need to succeed, you'll start building the mindset to get things done. Second, stop overthinking and just start. You waste so much time psyching yourself out, imagining how awful studying will be, when the truth is, starting is the hardest part. Stop planning the perfect moment and just pick up the book, open the laptop, and begin. The less time you spend thinking, the faster you'll fall into the flow. Third, start with something easy. Don't jump straight into the most complicated chapter or the toughest problem set. Begin with something small, reviewing your notes, rewatching a lecture, or doing a simple exercise. Your brain loves quick wins, and once you build that momentum, the harder tasks won't feel so intimidating. Break your study session into small, manageable steps so you can actually see your progress stacking up. Fourth, turn studying into a game. If you're competitive, challenge a friend to a study match. See who can put in the most focused hours without getting distracted. Add some stakes to it. Loser buys coffee, does a chore, or posts something embarrassing. That extra bit of pressure turns the grind into something fun and keeps you accountable. Fifth, change your environment. If your desk feels like a trap, grab your notes and move somewhere new. The kitchen, the balcony, the library, even a park. A fresh setting jolts your brain into focus because it's not stuck in the same old routine. Sixth, study in short sprints. Long, endless sessions only drain your energy and focus. Instead, set a timer for 20 to 25 minutes, go all in, then take a short 5-minute break. These quick bursts train your mind to focus deeply without burning out, and over time, you'll find yourself studying longer without even realizing it. Seventh, tap into your emotions. Get a little angry. Think about the people who doubt you, the ones who expect you to fail or who talk behind your back. Are you really going to let them be right? Channel that frustration and prove them wrong by showing up for yourself. Use that fire to fuel a focused, unstoppable study session. And finally, reward yourself. You're not a robot. You need breaks and incentives to stay consistent. Finish a solid study session, then do something you enjoy. Grab a snack, play a game, watch an episode of your favorite show. But make sure you earn it. Plan your rewards after hitting real milestones so your brain starts associating effort with a sense of accomplishment. Combine these strategies, and studying stops feeling like an impossible mountain. Instead, it becomes a series of small, doable steps that build real momentum. So the next time you're staring at your notes and thinking about quitting, remember this. You don't need perfect motivation, just a plan to push through those tough moments. Now grab your materials, pick one of these tricks, and start, because no one else is going to do it for you.